Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 3 of the May Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, running sum of 1 DOA. So for people who have been asking, I feel much better today, get enough sleep, all that stuff. So it's good. Don't you worry about it. Get the vaccine. Do what it takes. Okay. So we had 2 straight hard problems, I think. So let's see what today's problem. Running sum of 1 DOA. Okay. Now they give us a very easy problem. I don't know why they did this. This is such a weird thing, because this is just I like I mean, it is straightforward anyway, but I guess you have to, in theory, the way that they phrase it, you have to think about it a little bit. But the idea here, if you haven't looked at it, is just that the running sum. So let's just say I'm a sub. Okay, so let's just say you have an array of things, and then you have, say, total sub I is equal to the sum of num, or rewritten is equal to, I'm just going to use a for now, a sub 1 0 plus a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub n, right? Or this is total sub n, I suppose. Let's just change it to I. And then the idea is that, okay, total of I minus 1, or I plus 1, say, it doesn't really matter. But basically, same induction-y stuff. A little bit lazy about typing today, so just type this, plus a plus I plus 1, right? Something like that. And then the next intuitive thing to see is that, okay, if you subtract them, then you have this is equal to a sub I plus 1. And of course, now you bring the total back. So then now you can see that total of I plus 1 is equal to, I mean, I know that maybe this is slow, depending on who you ask. But if you are curious about prefix sum, and this is actually very fundamental in that it comes up, using this as a pre-processing step comes up in a lot of problems and maybe interviews, but definitely competitive. So so definitely familiar yourself with that, and this is a very simple, 4-line proof of how that works. And once you kind of get used to it, you just kind of do it immediately, and that's the idea that I have as well, to be honest. And you can write it in different ways. The way that I write it is just I don't know. I think I do it in a. Technically, I actually start at 0, to be honest, because the way that it's simpler to define a prefix sum by counting 0 elements, which is, if you have 0 elements, the sum of 0 elements is 0, right? So then now I just do for x is equal to nums, and then I just do this. And then we return the result, but without the 0, at least for this case. So we just do something like that, and it should be okay, because I've done this enough times already. Maybe not this particular problem, but this technique, this trick, if you want to call it that. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, and of course, this is linear time, linear space. That's what I have. In a way, this is also dynamic programming, if you want to call it that, and it comes up in different ways. If you are, but that's all I have. I don't really have much to say here. This is a pretty easy problem, I think. It's just about thinking about it a little bit and reading it. But if you have done problems, you probably have seen this enough times that I don't know why I'm just a little confused, because I don't know why they did the order like this, because if day 1 and day 2 scared you, then what is this going to provide value? I don't know. I wonder if they just give you like do they pick these problems randomly? I don't know if there's any strategy or criteria or anything learning or anything about that. That's not a really good showcase of their massive problem base problem sets. So I don't know. Anyway, that's all I have. Linear time, linear space. Let me know what you think. good to have a quick one for us for a day. Good for Monday because I get some sleep. Anyway, stay good. Have a good week. Take care of yourself. Be healthy and to good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye bye.